Alicat and the Tournament Tuesday by Alison Forty Bark. Illustrated by Chiara Sivati. It was a race down the stairs. The start of a day Alicat and Bugsy called Tournament Tuesday. I won, said Bugsy. Not by much, Alicat panted. Besides, the golf ball you left on the stars slowed me down. It's my lucky ball, Bugsy replied. It helped me win the race. You're just lucky I didn't get hurt, Alicat said in her sisterly voice. You really shouldn't leave it there. Time to go, Mom called. Everyone gather your things. Bugsy grabbed his golf clubs. Alicat grabbed her shoes. Don't forget your glove, hat and golf balls, Bugsy, said Dad. Got it, Caddy Daddy, Bugsy joked. As Mom, Dad, Bugsy and Alicat got in the car, Bugsy realized something was missing. My lucky golf ball, Bugsy shouted. I can't play well without it. It's not luck that helps your golf game, Mom said. It's practice and hard work. But I just can't play without it, Bugsy replied. I'll miss every shot. If you insist, said Mom. Alicat, please run in and grab Bugsy's lucky golf ball. It's the one with, Bugsy began. I know, Alicat interrupted. The one I almost tripped over this morning. The one with the star on it. I'll get it. When they arrived at the golf course, Alicat spotted Phoebe, Chester and Spotty and ran to cheer them on. Bugsy headed to the practice range with Harvey. What you got in your hand, Alicat? Spotty asked. Oh, this is Bugsy's lucky ball, said Alicat. I need to give it to him before he tees off. See, it has a... Oh no! As Alicat looked closer at the ball, she realized that it didn't have a star on it. I brought the wrong ball, Alicat shouted. Bugsy will be so upset. It's okay, said Phoebe. He'll understand. Just tell him you made a mistake. Or, said Alicat, maybe I can help him see that he doesn't need luck after all. Do you have a marker, Spotty? Here, you can borrow this one, Spotty said. I hope you're sure about this. Carefully, Alicat drew a star on the golf ball. Roo, Luna and Spotty teed off and started their rounds. Next, up to the tee box were Bugsy and Harvey. Wait, Alicat shouted. Don't forget your ball. Here you go. Thanks, sis, said Bugsy. I don't know what I would do without my lucky ball. Good luck, said Alicat. Bugsy teed up his ball and took his first swing. He drove the ball so high in the air you could barely see where it landed. Phew! Alley Cat said with relief. It worked. He didn't notice. On the 18th hole, Bugsy was even par, a perfect round. After teeing off, the ball soared high in the sky and landed in a puddle of water. That's okay, Bugsy said as he ran with his towel. Bugsy grabbed his ball from the puddle and wiped it dry. But as it dried, the ball changed. Wait a second, said Bugsy. This isn't my ball. Alley Cat sank low in the golf cart. She turned to Phoebe and whispered, the marker must have come off. Alley Cat, this isn't my lucky ball, said Bugsy. Whose ball is this? I'm sorry, Bugsy, Alley Cat said sadly. I grabbed the wrong ball, but I knew you could play well with or without your lucky ball, so I drew a star on this one. I'm sorry I didn't tell you the truth. How will I play well now? Bugsy asked. I need my lucky ball. You don't need your lucky ball to play well, Bugsy, Mom said. You practice and work hard and that is enough. Mom is right, said Alley Cat. Besides, you've played well without your lucky ball so far. Let's go, Bugsy, Dad called. It's your put. Bugsy ran to meet Dad, still worried about not having his lucky ball. He put the ball next to the puddle where it had landed and lined up to take his next shot. Take your time, said Dad. Keep your eye on the ball just as we have practiced. Bugsy swung the putter like a pendulum and the ball rolled straight for the hole. Please make it, Alley Cat thought. The ball rolled right into the hole. I did it, Bugsy yelled, jumping up and down. Even par, my best score yet. You see, Mom said as she hugged him tight. Your practice and hard work paid off. With a score like that, you may even have a new lucky ball, said Alley Cat. Thanks, sis, said Bugsy. But I don't think I need one after all. You're right, said Alley Cat. The end. Thank you for reading with me.